Are you ready?
Premier Inn have grew up in the world, and we've now got a Premier Plus room to check out here at the Birmingham Premier Inn in Exchange Square. Start off in the bathroom. Got a sink, bog, let me zoom out. Lovely mirror. I love this light. This light is like really trippy, really I don't know what the word I was looking for. But we got the shower, we got the rainforest shower, I got another shower head, and we got this amazing Baylis and Harding oud, cedar and amber or lavender and bergamot body wash. And then we got the oud for the hand wash as well. I love the smell of oud. If anyone doesn't know me, I love the smell of oud. Then we got a little vanity mirror here where you can do your hair and whatnot before you go out. And then the cupboard space is just in this little cupboard here. And then we've got a mirror. What I love about it is, I'm going to get a photo of this in the night, is the bed. If you look at the top there, because you got mood light, like a purple light, and it will look amazing in the night. So I cannot wait to try that, and we'll do the bed test in a couple of minutes. Got a little chair there as well, a little space there. Look, this is a massive space actually. I've got a painting there named Gemma. And we've got a big TV there as well. We've got a little work area, which is just dumped full of food stuff. We've got a kettle, an espresso machine. We've got a comfy office chair. And we've got a little fridge with some water in it. And obviously some of our own little stuff as well. And it's all complimentary too, which is really nice actually. Now for the view. We got a view of Birmingham city centre. This is from the 12th floor, by the way. We're like really high up. I didn't really expect when I booked Premier Inn. We're going to be up on the 12th floor. And we've got like quite a good view actually of the city because I'm going to a concert tonight. It's over at at the O2 Academy, and we're going to go for food over at the if I'm going for food, the Vietnamese Street Kitchen over at the Bull Centre. But let's do a bed test, and that is the room here at the Premier Inn Birmingham, and this is a Premier Plus room, so I'm really impressed with that. All right, guys, it's time for the bed test. Look at this Premier Inn bed. Who doesn't love a Premier Inn bed on a Premier Plus room as well? It's very, very comfy. It's very springy, very comfortable. Love it. Absolutely love it.